And welcome back. We head straight to the ring where the Canadian team has inched ahead 4-3 in the Nephew Contender boxing series after Lerone Jet White crafted a split decision win over Jamaica's Devon Concrete Moncrief at the Chinese Benevolent Association's auditorium on Wednesday night. Karen Madden was there.
Following last week's fight, which was a disappointment for the boxing faithful, it was crucial that the Contender series rebound with a compelling matchup. With the series level at 3 wins apiece entering Wednesday's fight, both teams were gunning for a win. And it was youth versus experience as 40-year-old Devon Concrete Moncrief matched skills with 27-year-old Lerone Jet White. It was the veteran Moncrief who started with more assurance, taking the younger White to school in the opening 2 rounds, and looks like he was on course for a familiar preliminary round win. But by the end of the second round, White had soaked up all Moncrief had to offer and took the ascendancy over the tiring veteran with energy-sapping body punches. White stepped up the pressure in round 4 with much of the same, and it became clear the tide had turned in the Canadians' favor. The 5th round traded fireworks towards the end as both fighters traded punches, knowing victory depended largely on who won the final round. White showed more guile in the end as he bided his time well to skip out of the way of Moncrief's trademark right cross. At the end of the gritty contest, White was given the nod over Moncrief on 2 of the judges' scorecards. Judge Ransford Burton had it 48-47 for White. Keith Brown had it 49-46 on Moncrief, and the Canadian judge Jeremy Hayes scored it 48-47 for White in the split decision. With the win, White improved his professional record to 3-0.
Yeah, I started slow. That was the plan. Take my time, use the jab, and see what he's bringing. And then second round, third round, we pick it up and go to the body more. Yeah, so the difference is, at the end of the day, the difference is I came to win, and then he took me for a joke, and things not sweet, so we came and took it over.
Moncrief was gracious in defeat.
No, I never punch myself out, you know. I never get too tired. But I'm young and him come strong. So him come strong and him put out him work. So right now, although I lose, I don't feel no way still. I just say go. I want to go to the second round, but I don't get the opportunity to go to the second round. So I just wish him all the best before the game.
And White says Jamaica is yet to see the best of him.
Very high, but come here and take it over, man. We're ready to train hard, high-level sparring, and all you're going to see is a better me next time.
White now joins fellow Canadians Franco Choni, Dave LeBlanc and Phil Rose, as well as Jamaicans Richard Frog Holmes, Tetsi Davis and Sakima Mullings in the quarterfinals. Jamaica's Ramal Sub-Zero Lewis will take on Ryan Young next Wednesday. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.